Let's go.
Yup, I came with a practical and complete tutorial, yo, with included exercise, explanation, and example, yo. How to animate a ball with a reference, yo. Good question. First, let me say that the reference is a video that can be taken from reality by ourselves or animation. Footage, movie can be cut like a GIF. We can't imagine all the movements, so we need a guide. And the reference is a good guide for animation. Know and break the laws of physics with reference. Let's go to the ball. I choose the soccer ball. You can choose and animate any other ball with the help of reference. You can find other patterns by searching texture ball map in Google. I changed the pattern as desired with the Photoshop brush. Put the link of the files used this tutorial in the description. Give it CC sphere effect to become a sphere. Put the reference under the ball. To rectangle. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I make them darker. Choose dissolve mode. Reduce opacity. Mask and feather. Add zigzag. The background is ready. Fine, and keying the main poses of the ball according to the reference. Turn on motion blur. Select the keyframes, press F9. Here's the result. Graph editor, where are you? Graph editor. I found you. Excuse me, why Excuse me, why should we use the graph editor? Oh yeah, because in addition to the keyframes, the graph editor is also an important factor in movement and timing, and it brings your animate to life. For example, an animation that is only keyed cannot show the weight of object. This is where the graph editor comes in. We have two graph models, both of which are useful, value, speed. But I choose value graph. These points are the keyframe, by choosing which the changing arm will appear. The parts with a step slope are faster, and the parts gentle slope are slower. So, where the ball hits the ground faster, and distance from the ground slower. Make your animate move similar to the reference. See the result. Rotation, ball, 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 ball. Well, let's watch the reference slowly. From the first hit to the last one isn't too much rotation. So, set rotation X keyframe 0, 145. When the ball moves on the ground, the direction of rotation changes and the speed increases. Turn on rotation Z 0, minus 126. And it's the result. Shadow ball, 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 ball. I draw a rectangle for the shadow and mask it with a circle. Dissolve mode. Match the opacity and position with the place ball hits. When the ball distance from the ground, two things happen. The scale becomes small, opacity decreases. These chains are reduced in the last hits because the ball has less distance from the ground. The numbers can be changed and depend on your choice. See the result. So far, we have animated like reference, but now is the time for change. I want the ball to move toward us. According to the rules of perspective, it gets closer and bigger with each hit. The last hit's energy of ball decreases. Therefore, it comes forward less. Create a null object. What is null? Null is like a glass that is present and absent. For the ball and shadow to be big together, parent them to the null. What is parent? Parent means the connection of one layer to another layer. This is a single-way connection. Now I give a keyframe instead of each hit. And it's the result. If you want your ball movement to be exaggerated, give it squash and a stretch. Just make sure that it fits the original size of the ball. 2 days later. I animated this without reference. To understand the bouncing ball, do these 3 exercises. 1. Animate 3 different balls from the reference. 2. Change one of your 3 animations like the tutorial. 3. Make a creative animation ball without reference. Upload your ball animations to YouTube and put the link under this post. I will see and answer. If you have any question, comment, and I will answer again. I hope you hit the subscribe button. Good luck, guys. Until the next